is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video, guys. We are heading over to North Shop. We're installing some burger tuning intakes today. I want to get some nice comparison videos for you guys from the before and after of these cone intakes. So pretty much it's a very easy install, and honestly a very cheap mod. So I'm excited to throw this on. Cheap mod, plus it enhances the sound of the car too, the intake sound. So I'm really excited about that. For now, let's go ahead, head over to North Shop. Let's go ahead, head over there real quick. Alrighty guys, so we just made it over to North Shop. So as you guys see, I actually already had some old intakes from burger tuning, but I went ahead and got some brand new cones. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the difference between the sound. Also, the reason why I had to switch back into the stock intake was to pass smog. So that is what I did. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the install of these intakes, before and after sound as well. Get a few sound clips of the before with the stock intakes. But yeah guys, these are the old ones. Main reason I'm getting new ones are because these are kind of beat up. They look like they've been sitting in the car for a very long time. They are the burger tuning cone intakes. So here are the brand new ones. Let me go ahead and open these up real quick. And as you guys can see, these are literally brand new. So I'm pretty sure this is the same exact color as this, but this one's just dirty. Look at that, that is crazy. So I'm glad I'm honestly replacing these. These are what they're supposed to look like. And these look so much better. They actually look fresh and new, which I'm excited to actually install these now. And when you guys actually order these, they come with these bottom parts as well. I just literally got replacement cones because that's all I needed. I already had the rest. But when you buy the kit, it comes with this as well. And not only that guys, but this is the updated version. It looks like they have different writing on the top. So this one has like Burger Motorsports written out, whereas this has like the logo on it for the old ones. So it looks like they did update them just a tiny bit. The new ones compared to the old ones, pretty crazy difference. Really excited to go ahead and actually install these. I've been waiting for a very long time to actually install these. But yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the car, show you guys the stock intake sound compared to the new intake sound with the burger tuning intake. We already got the Burger Motorsports oil filter cap and the Burger Motorsports cowl filters installed as well. So we're gonna get the whole burger tuning experience up in here. And we're also gonna throw on a few other burger tuning things. Maybe you guys can go ahead and guess down below what else we're gonna go ahead and install on this car. Finally gonna be actually messing with some performance stuff, pushing some power as well. Let me go ahead and get you those sound clips real quick. Alright guys, so I did a nice little range from like 1 to 2500 RPM, 35 to 4, and then 5500 RPM, just so you can kind of get a different balance of how it's actually going to sound. Actually installing these intakes, it's very simple. So all we have to do is literally take out this intake box, and it's like plug and play. So simple. The first step what we're gonna have to do, so the first thing that we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to unbolt pin over here, and then over here there's a connection as well, and it literally just pops right out. So let's go ahead and do that. So mine are actually held on by flat heads. So I'm gonna go ahead and loosen this real quick, and then this side as well. And then all you have to do is pop this thing out. And then we're gonna go ahead and unplug this vacuum line real quick. Press in and pull out, just because it's connected to the actual intake box. And then pretty much all you have to do is pull up and it pops right out. And as simple as that. Like that's literally all it takes. And then guys, for this, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off these right over here and swap them onto the new ones. And so if you do get the kit, you're not even gonna have to worry about swapping it off of one, obviously. You're just gonna have to worry about actually installing it. Alright guys, so we went ahead, got these clamps on, and these little things, they sit in perfectly, so you don't even have to worry about them falling in or anything. They literally sit perfect. And then you go ahead, clamp them on, and now they're actually ready to install. So I think now what we're gonna do is go ahead, throw them onto the car and see how the car sounds. And man, these look so good like this. Bro, the brand new ones are the move. Dang, that looks really good. All right, let's go ahead, throw these on the car now. All right guys, and this part is pretty simple. Literally all you have to do, you literally just have to put this actually where the hose was for the intake. So just down here. We'll go ahead and plug this in as well. And they pretty much sit in perfectly just like that. Yeah guys, that's pretty much it. All I have to do is tighten them on now, and they're sitting in there really nicely. And I actually really dig how this gray looks with the white paint, at least for my car. That looks really, really good. But yeah, now literally all I have to do is tighten those up and we are good to go. And then we can actually hear what it sounds like, these new intakes. Really excited to see what it's gonna sound like. Alrighty guys, they are completely installed now. That literally took me like 15 minutes to do, and it looks really, really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the car and get some revs for you guys. I'm gonna let it warm up, don't worry. We're gonna get some nice sound clips of this, and hopefully I'll get some driving clips as well, inside the car and outside the car. Stay tuned for that, guys. Let me go ahead and turn on the car real quick. Dang guys, that sounds hecka good. Very happy with how it sounds. I'm gonna go ahead, take it for a quick little drive. It really does transform the actual engine bay a lot, especially with the cowl filters and the oil filter cap. It's looking really, really good. But yeah guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead, take it for a nice little drive. Let's go ahead and drive down the street real quick. Alrighty guys, so it is a little bit later. We're actually gonna go ahead, get some nice sound clips for you guys, some drive-by clips inside the car and outside the car. I got Nora over here. New intake sound, bro. What do you think?
Is that the intake or the exhaust?
Both.
Because I didn't hear the befores, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
Oh, I hear it.
Sounds really good.
It sounds, especially that's just, you don't have a blow-up valve, right?
No.
So that sound that we're hearing is just the intakes, which is kind of crazy, bro.
That's pretty good.
Not too shabby. You can hear the suction. It sounds like induction.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, this thing's quick. Alright, chill, bro.
Too quick. It's not even tuned yet.
Nah, that's quick.
Alright, I want to get some drive-by clips. Should I drop you off in the middle? I'm gonna go down more than the middle.
Yeah. Sheesh.
I'll drop you off right over here.
Dang, you see that, bro?
Oh my gosh. I didn't even notice that.
What's happening, bro?
Going on?
Give us some revs. That sounds good, dude. Bro, the white looks so good.
It looks clean, huh?
Bro, I can see why Jose likes Alpine white cars only, bro. That's crazy.
Alright, I'm gonna do a little light pull, like a launch. Not really a launch, but I'm just gonna get some nice revving. So.
Alright, hit it. I'm not gonna lie, till today, N54s, best bang for the buck. That's crazy. Not bad! Woo! I don't know if you guys can see my face. I don't really do YouTube that often, so it's just, I don't really know how to hold this camera or talk, to be honest, but it's a nice car. I don't really know exactly what kind of car it is, but it's a nice car. Not too shabby, bro.
Does this sound quick?
Bro, it sounds quick, and I love, bro, the headlights look so aggressive also. I mean, everything's coming together on this. bro, the white looks so good on camera.
Does it really?
Yeah, dude, it looks insane. It looks like you literally just went to heaven. Woo!
You can hear the intake though.
That's crazy.
Really good. Alrighty guys, as you guys heard, these intakes sound great. Definitely you can hear the induction noise a lot better. I'm very happy with how it sounds and how it pulls and everything. Like, it's coming together, guys. It's slowly coming together really nicely. Very excited. Keep modifying this thing. I have a lot more mods that I need to do. I just haven't had time, to be honest. But we got a lot more mods from Burger Tuning coming as well, so stay tuned for that. Got some really cool things we're gonna go ahead and install. But yeah, for now, these intakes sound really good. Very happy with how they look, sound, and everything. Definitely transforms the look of the engine bay and the whole car in general. Very happy with that. But yeah guys, I might get some more B-roll for you, and then I'm probably gonna go ahead and end the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little install. I felt like it went pretty quick. It only took me like 15-20 minutes to install, and it's very easy, so anybody can do it. But yeah, let me go ahead and get some actual B-roll for you. Anyways guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. If you guys enjoyed the video in any way, make sure to give it a like, make sure to subscribe down below. Make sure to check out Burger Tuning as well. Check out these intakes. I will leave them down in the description. With all that being said guys, remember, stay safe, stay happy, and stay in that project car. I'll catch you guys later.
Back on deck on my fly, really on my pay some respect to my mindset. Head blowing smoke, catch a contact.